It is Monday, August 14th. Tomorrow, August is half over. Eye-opening, sort of. Our art of color retreat yesterday was a huge success. Those of you who came, thank you very much. We had a very, very fun time. So much talent in the room. We really had a great time. So thank you for being part of it. And next time, don't miss it if you did. All right. I'm going to talk about the Market Square bag, which we did a couple years ago because I had the Cairns yarn in before. It is a yarn from Queensland. It's a cotton blend. And this is a slip stitch pattern, not difficult. I think you start on the bottom and you knit the bottom rectangle, and then you pick up and knit the bag. One of my clients had it lined, and so hers is lined and she uses that as a knitting bag, which is great. So, so much fun. So let me show you. It is the Market Square bag. It's a $4.95 pattern. It was written by Sharon Anault. I think that's the way you pronounce her name. And it takes 3 balls of Cairns, right? From Queensland. It is 190 yards. It's a cotton and acrylic blend. It's a self-striper situation. So I'm showing you the colors that I have. It is $18 a ball. So 3 balls makes the bag. So I have this great sort of summer pastel-y brights. Love that one. This one is kind of purples and limes with a little bit of blues. I like it a lot. This one is the more fallish, burgundies, purples, dark, a little peachy. I like that one as well. This is nice, dark again, navy, green, red, purple. Love that. This one's nice too. This reminds me of like a desert sunset. So pretty. The golds, the lavenders, dark burgundy, little orange. Doesn't it remind you of a sunset? Does me. Is that upside down? Yes. And last but not least, this is sort of Santa Fe-ish. The teal, the orange, the gold. I love that. So 6 different possibilities to knit the Cairns bag. You could also mix and match. You could do 3 different ones and have it be a hodgepodge, right? So cool. Love it. The Market Square bag. Love, love, love it. Oop, it looks complicated, but it is a slip stitch mosaic technique, so not hard at all. All right, I don't think I have anything for you. Boy, we had a deluge about, I don't know what time it was, 3 o'clock maybe, 4 o'clock, and I think the gutters out here are full, the drains, because it was creeping up on the tires on the car, but it drained really fast, and now the streets are dry because it's so lovely and hot. All right, that's the weather report for today. I'll see you tomorrow.